Good morning, guys. Time to trade. So let's start out with a little bit of news and then I'll go through my portfolio and adjust things. So they've got record highs in jobless claims today. Soar past 3 million to record high, which is that's pretty crazy. So they expected 1.5 million for the week, and 3 million's double that. Now the interesting thing, no, I'm not gonna read this whole thing, but the interesting thing is the market's reaction to this. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so the market's reaction to this is positive. So we've got over 3 million people unemployed, and the market is up 8.7-ish, $8. We'll just say $8. So market's up $8, and it's reacting as if there's nothing out of the ordinary, which is pretty crazy to me, honestly. I don't know about for you guys, but yeah, no, it's kind of crazy. So what that just tells me is that based off of, let's wait for this to load. So based off of that, I think we may have hit a floor. Now it may continue to trade sideways, especially with the stimulus packages and everything, but it's very possible this market could bounce up very aggressively. Especially as we start to get more news about the situation stabilizing in different states. So this is just going to get better and better news of the media, and this market's just going to keep going up and up. So, and I've structured my portfolio to take advantage of this exact situation in the event that things start improving and the market just starts rising. Now I do have it set up to, in case things don't work out, I can always roll down, and I can always maintain if things go sideways. And ideally for me, the best scenario for me is if they go up or go sideways. So anyways, so because of the way I've structured my portfolio, I've got some nice P&L in my SEP. It's really just recovering losses. That's all it is. Actually, I'm under $1,000 in losses in my SEP, which is awesome, actually. Really awesome to see that. Anyways, so I'm actually probably not going to do anything in my SEP today. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do anything there, but I'll run through the positions real quick. But let's get this rolling because I do have to get ready for work. So let's see, are we able to, oh wait, this is already rolled out. So I rolled this yesterday. So we are not doing anything in the CCs. Those are already balanced. I can't do anything anyway. IWM, anything to do? Nope, nothing to do. This position's fine. That's a Jade Lizard, so that guy's just gonna print money in this type of market. I probably could roll these puts up. Let's go ahead and do that with Macy's. So we'll go ahead and just send that order. Alright, cool. That's a good fill. So we'll just roll those up, collect a little bit of money. And what are we looking at here? That's fine. OIH is right there. I'm actually surprised it's not making more money. Because the IV's coming in, but Odioke still kind of stuck here. I am still the only person with an option here. But the spread's not quite as wide. It was like 480 to 0 before. Now it's 390. Or maybe it's 420. I can't remember what it was yesterday. But my positions are starting to make a little bit of money. Overall on Oak, I think I've made 85 bucks. So I could close that trade now if I wanted, and I'd be profitable. Anyways, Qs. Let's take a gander real quick. This is, yep, this trade's fine. This is, I might even consider rolling up. So if we get a down move, I'll roll these puts up just to collect more credit. But for now, I'm just going to leave it. And then SPY, this is also a Jade Lizard. And wow, these are so far out of the money now. I might, even though it's up. So if we get a down move, I'm going to try to roll my puts up in SPY as well. But I'm going to leave it alone for now because I'm just making money. So, AT&T, now there's an interesting problem. So I am completely inverted. Let's try to roll these today since we have a good strong up move. What is that? This is a 27, 5, and 37. So I'm going to roll out for an 85-cent credit. I think I tried to roll these yesterday and it didn't roll. It didn't take or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and roll. How much should it be to uninvert? Way more than I collected. If I remember right, I collected something like, yeah, I can do it for a 16-cent credit. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh, I got 19 cents out of that. That's great. Alright, so roll out my AT&T trade. That was nice. What's AT&T looking like total P&L? Whoa. Total P&L is 480, negative 483. Okay, cool. That was fun. Let's see, USO. Let's check this guy out. See if I can roll this now. May 15. So this is 7 strike. I still can't roll it higher, so we're just gonna leave it. We're just gonna leave it. X, how we doing? So X is just fine. There's nothing for me to do. XLE, what's up? I believe this is a Jade Lizard. I might roll this up to the, let's roll it up to the 22. We'll collect 50 cents credit, and that additional will be nice just to have. Already made $74 on these puts, so we'll just collect more credit and make more money that way. So, and I think this has still got 50 days to go. Yep. Yeah, still got 50 days to go, so I'll just be making more money on that trade, hopefully. So, why is it not? Come on, why ain't you rolling? Whatever. Alright, XOP. What's going on? What's going on with you? Nothing. Don't need to do anything either. Already at the 50-day mark that's fully inverted, so don't need to do any adjustments. Let's pop over to the SEP. Apple. Wow, Apple is up a lot. Still way far away from my, so this is the 250. It's still $25 away from my strikes here. So yeah, so this is still $100 away from my GTC order to close this. So I'm not gonna touch that. CCL, how's it going? CCL, yep. Up a little bit today. This is the Carnival Corp Cruise Lines. There's not really anything for me to manage here. I could try to roll this. Let's see if I can roll this. Can I roll it higher? Is it 22.5? Nope. Can't roll it higher. So, I honestly don't care to roll it higher anyway, so it's not really making any money in Carnival, so but making back the money I lost, so that's up big. Why is that so? Gotcha. Okay, cool. Anyway, CGC also coming back strong. So CGC is almost back to profitability, and that's going to be fantastic. Can I actually roll this down now? Yeah, that'd be like 40 cents that I collect right there. So we'll try to roll that down. See if that goes. That'll get me a nice... Wait, rolling that down. Yeah, rolling that down, I lock in some nice profits, and I'm perfectly fine with that, actually. Delta Airlines. What's up, Delta? What's up? Wait, that's still CGC. There we go. Delta Airlines. Nope, nothing to do. That's a Jade Lizard. I just have to wait for the market to come back. I might roll this, though. Let's actually put in a closing order and see what it looks like. 375? Yeah, sure. That's not actually bad. And then I'll put in a new trade at 50 days. We're going to sell the 35, 36. That's going to be 55 cents. And then if we sell the 30, 25. Holy cow, that gives me a lot of money to work with. Go ahead and do that. I'm gonna replace this. It's still not going, so I'm trying to place that order, but these markets must be really wide or something, because they do not want to cooperate. Anyways, Delta Airlines IV is coming in too, so we'll see if either of those go through. Diamonds are up. This is just going to expire worthless. That's pretty much all there is to it. What? I'm just going to... We're just going to see if we can even sell that. Get rid of it. Diamonds. So... And I'm so far out of the money on these trades, it's kind of ridiculous. So, really, nothing to do. Oh, I do think this one's closer to the money now. Yep. This one is closer to the money. So I'll be closing this trade pretty soon. Probably tomorrow. IWM. Let's pop in. Alright, that's a long ways out of the money, nothing to do. This one, wait, this one is smack in the middle. So that's actually fantastic. So I'll be starting to make some money on this. And because we got such a big up day, let's just roll this down and collect more credit, dude. And only be getting 8 cents, not worth it. It's okay. It's because it's so narrow. So my spread is really narrow, and so the strikes offset each other more. So less overall profit. Microsoft is finally back. Microsoft is back, baby! So, IV hasn't come in nearly as much as I want it to, but we're back within 52.70. So we're just about back within profitability. If it goes up just a little bit more, I could easily close it. I'm just going to close it right now and reestablish, because I honestly wasn't sure if this was going to come back. So we'll put in a closing order, let it do its thing. If it doesn't close, that's alright. I'll close it tomorrow and roll it. So, and the Qs. Let's sell the sucker. Oh, I forgot. Any of my other Qs positions. These are all hopeless. I don't expect to make anything on these guys. But I'll be closing them tomorrow. And this trade, there's actually maybe there's hope on this one. If market keeps turning up, let's go ahead and put in some closing orders for these guys. And spy. What do? So, not really anything to do here either. So, I'm not going to worry about it. TLT. I'm surprised TLT's up, because it's moving weirdly. And this trade, this is not going to come back in. I'll leave it on just in case TLT comes in tomorrow, but I don't think this is going to come back in. So, alright, so I've got some more buying power in the Qs. Let's put on. I actually already have a position on here, so I'm not going to worry about it. Let's see, what about in SPY? And I got positions on in SPY and Q. So I'm not going to worry about putting anything on there. Let's take a quick look. Let's take a look at Disney. What's Disney looking like? Let's do a Jade Lizard in Disney, alright guys? If I can, nope, can't do a Jade Lizard. This requires way too much. $585, and I still can't even get it. Yeah, nope. Can't do any Jade Lizards in Disney. I could do an Iron Condor though. So let's try if I did the 80 and the 125, 130. That would be 176. Yeah, that's not bad. 59% or 74%. Kind of worried about the upward skew though, so I'm going to skew this positively. And we're just going to move this way away. There we go. Okay. So got a lot of upside protection, downside. Pretty sure Disney's probably been priced in. So let's go ahead and send that. Take advantage of whatever IV that we've got left here. So, okay, cool. Oh wow, I'm up $500. That's crazy. Alright guys, well that's me adjusting my whole portfolio for the day. Took me 20 minutes and got through both portfolios. Not a lot to do. A lot of this is just the market giving me back the money it took away. IV crush coming in, man. That IV really makes a difference. And a lot of the pain wasn't necessarily the direction. It was direction, but like how fast it moved and how quickly the IV expanded. And that really hurt my portfolio. But now that IV is coming back out and the profits are coming back in. So, yeah. Have a wonderful day, guys.